Hi guys, come with me to get a midnight snack from Circle K in Winnipeg. Bye. Thank you. Guys, so we don't have medium cups, so I have to use the frost. So guys, I can use the almond lid if you can see because the Coke was slipping out of the cup. So I have to use this. Good. I got original Coke. Yep. Okay, bye guys. I'm gonna go to my house and I'll show you a video of that too, okay? Bye. I arrived at my house. Food's waiting for me, guys.
Don't change my mind.